to the first episode of Millennial Cooking, I suppose I'll call it. That's not too bad. Hi guys, welcome to my first ever video. I'm going to call it I Hate Myself So Much. Hi guys, welcome to my first video. Today I'll be cooking for the first time. I have never done this before in my life, unassisted, without a parent or anything. I've brought along the help of my brother, who's not going to be that much help. He's never done it before as well. So yeah, I hope you enjoy and can learn something. Today we're making the mild Thai green chicken curry. In the fridge we have some ingredients, of which we will we'll show you. A carrot, canned beans, 500 grams of chicken. Well, we haven't measured any of the ingredients, so give us a quick minute. Update. That took a while. You join me now. I've completed cutting the chicken, I think. But the next thing is to get a fry pan or saucepan. And I don't know the difference. That's a Chungus. That's a pan I've used. I resolved to Google for the difference between a saucepan and a fry pan. Question. Yes. Saucepan. That's a fry pan? Or a saucepan? Well, I googled it. Saucepan, it just looks like the only difference is put all in one. Yep.
That's deep. That's quite good.
So next we're gonna put oil in the pan. Not on heat at the moment. So now I'm going to put oil in the pan that's not hot, because I don't think it says to do it while it's hot. Saucepan, heat a dash of oil. How much is a dash? Yeah, that's a dash. Who knows, we might get Circulon sponsors. I back Circulon. The back of the knife and oh yeah! For this we also have coconut cream and long grain rice from Pam's. So for every cup of rice you add 2 cups of water, and half a cup is enough for a person. We've got a lovely rice cooker. So one thing I forgot to do, very stupidly, was wash the rice. Add curry paste, 200ml coconut cream. A little slit to rip, but maybe not. Where are the scissors? So the awkward thing happened where both batteries on that are dead. We've added the curry paste and the coconut cream. I'm going to bring it to, it says a boil. So things I've learned so far: cook and film. Not a good time. We're going to have rubbery, overcooked chicken. It's going to be my fault. It's my first time cooking. And I'm expecting it to be great. But it's not going to be, thanks to... We don't know what we're doing. We're here to learn. So what's happened? We missed a lot. I added the beans and the carrot because apparently they had to go in straight away as well. And voila, the final product. Grab a fork and we'll give it a taste. Oh. That's, So, overall, not too bad. Difficulty level was not that hard. I probably made it look pretty difficult, but it wasn't. I think I did good for my first try. I mean, I don't really know what I'm doing, and I'll continue to not know what I'm doing as the weeks progress. You'll see me get better if you stay around, so be sure to subscribe, like the video, chuck a comment, you know, maybe. I'll see you guys next week. See ya!